In this video we're going to walk you through the process of fixing a leaky faucet. A dripping faucet is not only annoying but can also waste a significant amount of water and increase your bills. Let's dive into the steps to fix a leaky faucet efficiently. A leaky faucet can lead to wasted water, up to hundreds of gallons a year. It's important to address this issue promptly to conserve water and reduce your utility costs. Before you start, make sure you have the necessary tools. You will need an adjustable wrench, a flathead or Phillips screwdriver, replacement washers and O-rings. Make sure they are the correct size for your faucet, and plumber's tape. Before you begin any repairs, it's crucial to turn off the water supply to your faucet. Look under the sink for the water supply valves and turn them clockwise to close. Turn on the faucet to drain any remaining water and release any built-up pressure. Use a sink plug or a rag to block the drain. This will prevent any small parts like screws or washers from falling down the drain during your repair. Remove the decorative parts of the handle knobs. You can usually unscrew these by hand or use a flathead screwdriver. Underneath, you'll see a screw that mounts the handle to the stem. Unscrew this, then carefully remove the handle. You might need a handle puller if it's stuck. With the handle off, use your wrench to remove the packing nut. After removing the nut, you should see the stem. Remove that as well and replace the O-ring, which is likely the cause of the leak. Make sure the new O-ring is the same size as the old one. If the faucet is still leaking, consider replacing the washer inside the valve seat. It could be worn out. Once the new washer and O-ring are in place, reassemble the parts in reverse order. Reattach the stem and packing nut, place the handle back on, and secure it with the screw. Don't forget to wrap the threads on the stem with plumber's tape to ensure a good seal. Turn the water supply back on and slowly turn the faucet handle to test if the leak has been fixed. Check for any leaks and make sure everything is working correctly. And that's it. You've successfully fixed your leaky faucet. With these simple steps, you can save water and cut down on your water bills. Remember, you can reactivate your DIY skills at any time by tackling another project. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.